Welcome to Learn English 30 Days Challenge. Today, we will learn 1 patterns of English speaking. Get a notebook and a pen, or if that's not convenient, just listen carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the next part of the 30-day challenge. Day 1. I'm looking forward to plus activity, event. Meaning, this pattern is used to show that you are excited or eager about something in the future. The activity or event goes after. 2. Situation. 1. Talking about upcoming events. 2. Discussing future plans. 3. Expressing excitement for meetings. 4. Writing formal or polite emails. 5. Sharing personal hobbies or activities. Examples. Talking about upcoming events. I'm looking forward to the concert next week. I'm looking forward to my birthday party. I'm looking forward to the school trip. I'm looking forward to the movie premiere. I'm looking forward to the festival this weekend. Discussing future plans. I'm looking forward to visiting my grandparents. I'm looking forward to starting my new job. I'm looking forward to moving into my new house. I'm looking forward to learning a new language. I'm looking forward to traveling next month. Examples. Expressing excitement for meetings. I'm looking forward to meeting my new classmates. I'm looking forward to meeting my teacher. I'm looking forward to meeting my colleagues. I'm looking forward to meeting my friends tomorrow. I'm looking forward to meeting the manager. Examples. Writing formal emails. I'm looking forward to your response. I'm looking forward to receiving the report. I'm looking forward to discussing this project. I'm looking forward to our meeting next week. I'm looking forward to your feedback. Examples. Sharing personal hobbies or activities. I'm looking forward to reading a new book. I'm looking forward to playing football this weekend. I'm looking forward to cooking a new recipe. I'm looking forward to painting today. I'm looking forward to going hiking. Conversation. Talking about upcoming events. Repeat after me. Are you going to the summer festival? Are you going to the summer festival?
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. Yes, I'm really looking forward to it.
Will you attend the school play next week? Will you attend the school play next week?
Definitely, I'm looking forward to watching it. Definitely, I'm looking forward to watching it.
Discussing future plans. Are you going to join the weekend workshop? Are you going to join the weekend workshop?
Yes, I'm looking forward to learning new skills. Yes, I'm looking forward to learning new skills.
Do you plan to visit your cousin this holiday? Do you plan to visit your cousin this holiday?
Absolutely, I'm looking forward to seeing them. Absolutely, I'm looking forward to seeing them.
Expressing excitement for meetings. Are you meeting the new neighbors today? Are you meeting the new neighbors today?
Yes, I'm looking forward to meeting them. Yes, I'm looking forward to meeting them.
Will you see your friend from college this week? Will you see your friend from college this week?
Definitely, I'm looking forward to catching up. Definitely, I'm looking forward to catching up.
Writing formal emails. Did you send the proposal to the client? Did you send the proposal to the client?
Yes, I'm looking forward to their feedback. Yes, I'm looking forward to their feedback.
Are you ready for the conference call tomorrow? Are you ready for the conference call tomorrow?
Yes, I'm looking forward to discussing the agenda. Yes, I'm looking forward to discussing the agenda.
Sharing personal hobbies or activities. What are you doing this evening? What are you doing this evening?
I'm looking forward to playing guitar. I'm looking forward to playing guitar.
Any plans for Saturday? Any plans for Saturday?
Yes, I'm looking forward to painting in the park. Yes, I'm looking forward to painting in the park.
Pause the video and take a screenshot or write the question in your notebook. Then share your answer in the comment box. Let's take a short break and focus on listening. Shape your future. Your future is built by the choices you make today. Every dream starts as a small idea, but with effort and belief, it can grow into something powerful. Even if your goal feels far away, take the first step. Each step gives you more confidence and brings you closer to the life you want. Challenges will appear along the way, and sometimes you may feel unsure or discouraged. That's normal. Every successful person has faced moments of doubt. What makes them different is that they kept going. When you make mistakes, learn from them and continue forward. Progress is progress, no matter how slow. Your mindset plays a big role in your success. Stay positive, stay focused, and talk to yourself with encouragement. Instead of saying, "I can't," try saying, "I will try." Your thoughts guide your actions, and your actions shape your future. Believe that you can grow, improve, and overcome any obstacle with patience and effort. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own path and your own growth. Celebrate small achievements and stay consistent with good habits. Your dream is possible and your future is waiting. Keep moving forward with hope and determination.